Bonjour et bienvenue à French Tweets. In today's video, we're going to learn the verb avoir. Avoir means to have or to possess something. Avoir is an auxiliary verb, which means it's one of the most important verbs, just like être, which means to be. This verb is used to make past tense as well. So let's begin learning about the verb avoir. Now let's have a look at a few examples. J'ai un rêve, which means I have a dream. The conjugation of the verb avoir with the subject pronoun je is a, e, and we have to put an apostrophe because of two vowels coming together. Now let's have a look at another example. Elle a un chien. She has a dog. Here with elle we use a as the conjugation of the verb avoir. Now we see clearly that the verb avoir tells about the possession of something. Now if you talk about the conjugation of the verb avoir, it's quite simple. All you need to do is just memorize. Now I'm going to pronounce it for you and you're going to follow the pattern and the pronunciation. J'ai, which means I have. Tu as, you have. Il a, he has. Elle a, she has. On a, we have. Nous avons, we have. Vous avez, you have. Ils ont, they have. Elles ont, they have. Now you have to be a little careful with the pronunciation of the verb avoir with nous, vous, il and elle, plural. Here we have the sound as nous avons, liaison is made. Vous avez, again liaison is there. Ils ont, elles ont. So now all you have to do is you have to memorize this conjugation. To practice the verb avoir, let's check a few simple sentences with different subject pronouns and situations using the verb avoir. Now here's a conversation between Santa Claus and a child. Santa Claus says, J'ai un cadeau pour toi. I have a gift for you. And the child says, Merci Père Noël. Thank you Santa Claus. Now let's check another situation. This gentleman has an exam on Tuesday. Mardi, j'ai un examen important. On Tuesday, I have an important exam. Dans la salle de classe, in the classroom, tu as la réponse à la question 4. Do you have the answer for the question 4? À l'école, at the school, tu as cours. Do you have a class? Oui, j'ai cours de 9 à 11h. Yes, I have a class from 9 to 11. Paul a un chat. Paul has a cat. Christine a les cheveux longs. Christine has long hair. Pierre et Sylvie ont une grande famille. Pierre and Sylvie have a big family. Vous avez des questions? Do you have questions? Oui, j'ai une question. Yes, I have a question. Une conversation entre les amis, a conversation between friends. Moi, j'ai le livre de français. Et vous? Me, I have a French book. And you? Vous avez des dictionnaires? Do you have dictionaries? Marc et Amélie ont une voiture moderne. Mark and Emily have a modern car. Ils ont cours de littérature à 8h. They have a literature class at 8 o'clock. The verb avoir is quite useful because it's also used with various French expressions. For example, avoir foi, which means feeling cold. Avoir chaud, feeling hot. Avoir faim, to feel hungry. Avoir soif, to feel thirsty. And also, the most important, to tell about your age. We use the verb avoir.
J'ai froid. I'm feeling cold. J'ai chaud. I'm feeling hot. J'ai faim. I'm hungry. J'ai soif. I'm thirsty. Une conversation entre les amis. A conversation between friends. Quel âge as-tu? What's your age? J'ai 9 ans. I'm 9 years old.
J'espère que vous avez compris le verbe avoir. I hope you've understood the verb avoir. And to practice the verb avoir, I would want you to make some sentences on your own using the expressions as well. So keep on watching, stay connected, do subscribe to French Tweets, and share what you discover with others. Thank you so much.